So I wanted to show you why I have not been crafting. I again am trying to get rid of stuff in my bedroom slash craft room. As my husband pointed out, I have way too much stuff. I am going to be selling off a lot of my stuff. I have way too much stuff. I'm going to be creating bundles to be selling off. I had two of these desks. As you can see, this one folds down. This one did too. I had one for my workstation and I had one that was for my craft area. So I'm keeping the one that was my work desk because it's longer. This one, I have two closets in my bedroom. This one here is a lot bigger. And because I have to keep a cat box in this room, we did purchase a litter box, an electronic litter box, but the cats are not using it. So we have to keep this in here for right now. So this closet, I really don't get to for like my clothes. So unfortunately, most of the stuff that's in this closet, I have stuffed packed with candle stuff. I can't even get into here. So what I've decided to do, but I have to do it a little bit at a time because of my back and my hands and stuff, I'm going to go through everything, sell off what I don't need. So you're gonna see videos from me where I'm gonna be selling off candle containers and stuff like that, where I'm going to sell off some of the stuff via PayPal, and then anything that you guys don't want, then I'm going to put it on my Etsy shop. Now, as of right now, as you can see, everything is on my bed. I'm doing this a little bit at a time. I did take down the one desk. Now, what I'm thinking about doing, I have this big TV in here. I kind of want to keep it in here, but I'm thinking what we might do. I'm thinking about moving it to over here because I have an issue with the floor because it kind of buckles. So I kind of can't put the desk over here because my chair doesn't move, because that's where I had it originally. And then I'm going to remove everything off of those two pieces. I have two of the cubicles, one of which is in the office, and I have one that's in the living room, which I want to somehow get them into here if I can, because they are really good with storing my stuff. Problem is, I like these, but they're not really good for storage. They're good at display, but they're not good at storage. But those are easy to take apart because they just screw and unscrew. So, but it's good because it keeps my Cricut, but I can put my Cricut on top of the cubicles. I have those that were underneath the black desk because I had a ledge, because those were actually under the piece here, because that's where you used to put like a computer monitor. But now I have these underneath here that have stuff in them. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. Like this one has my ink pads and has like my nail stuff. A lot of the nail stuff I think I'm going to sell Most of it isn't even opened. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm probably not going to use some of it. But like I said, I'm probably going to sell it. I'll offer it up to you guys first. And then if not, I'll sell it on Etsy. But like I said, I'm going to go through all of this stuff. Like I said, there's a lot. And then wish me luck, because like I said, I got to do this a little bit at a time. But I will let you know, on this Friday, I have a sale going on for my digitals. So I have 20% off on the digitals that I have in my shop as of right now. So you will see 20% off on all the digitals that I have in there now, starting on this Friday, which I think is what, April 21st, which will go all the way up until the end of the month. So go over to my Etsy shop, which will be linked down below, and it's always linked on always the top of my header in my YouTube videos. So again, this is the first phase of me trying to get this bedroom sorted out so I don't have so much stuff, and that John actually can live in peace and harmony and not have all of my stuff all over this apartment. So thank you all for dealing with me while I'm going through this. So like I said, I have to take my time, so thank you for understanding. And we're getting close to the 1,500 mark. And as soon as we hit that 1,500 mark, I'll do a video and we will see about doing the giveaway. Okay? Thank you all, and I will see you all at 1,500, if not, hopefully, maybe sooner.